Hello and welcome back to Creating with Miss K. My name is Kay and I am the host of this channel. As we know, it is coming up to Independence Day, the 4th of July. It is America's 249th birthday. And most of us have many ways that we like to celebrate. Most of the time, it's with family, it's with food and fireworks. And sometimes it's just sitting out on the porch, enjoying yourself. So this video is about porch therapy. I decorated my porch in honor of Independence Day. My pillows came from Kirkland's. The bows are from Hobby Lobby. The sign is from Kirkland's as well. And I just wanted to put something together on my porch. It's so nice and bright. Now I did make the swags that's on my lanterns as well as my wreath that's on my tree. The star that's in the middle of the wreath came from Hobby Lobby. And so we are having a wonderful day here in the South. It is scorching hot. But as you can see, it's nice and bright. We have had some rain, but as you see, we came back with a lot of sun. I love these stars and striped pillows to emulate the American flag with the home on the pillows. That blue and red, it just gives it a pop. It's nothing like red, white, and blue during the summertime. You can have this for Memorial Day, Labor Day, as well as the 4th of July. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, subscribe, as well as share. If this is the first time on my channel and you have not yet subscribed, but you like what you see, please, I am asking to go by my channel and subscribe. It will help me out so much. This has been such a fun video to do, but you know what? I gotta get on the inside. It is hot out here. Enjoy your evening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.